behalf of the DC area Mazda dealers, I'd like to welcome you all here. I'd like to welcome Alfred Morris. Alfred, without further ado, the 1991 Mazda 626. Start showing your car. Hi. I'm speechless. Man, like, I got my baby back. She looks way better.